If you could bottle that feeling of wanting to go do stuff, like once you start meal planning and prepping and stuff, and you come in and you got food ready and you got your snacks, it's life changing. And then it just is a knock on effect in life. I mean, you're super busy. You're building a juggernaut of a fitness empire. You're on social media. You're coaching some of the most well known people in the world. You're a family man. You've got so much on. How do you learn to juggle that? Be an entrepreneur, keep building this empire, be a family man, work out for yourself, do all the other stuff that you've got going on?
I think it's because I love it. I think I love, not I think, I know I love it. I mean, I love my family. So spending time with them is easy. It's something I look forward to. I work a lot when the kids are at school, right? And when they get home at night, like tonight, I'll be done by 7. And when I get home, I'll try and hang with them a little bit. We'll have dinner. We'll spend some time together. I think it's also waking up every week knowing that like I can improve. I woke up Monday and I was like, okay, last Monday after Labor Day. I remember waking up just being like, oh man, we got to revamp a few things. I'm not feeling good about this. Certain things with social media I didn't like. There's certain things with how we were delivering our message I wanted to change. And I think it's having that, that hunger to just improve, right? Like I like finding out ways to get better, whether it's with business or whether it's with my kids or whether it's with my own training. How can I, improve it just 1% or something small? And, having that challenge to come in and trying to improve things day in and day out is for me, it's fun. It really is. Every once in a while, like anyone else, you can get overwhelmed or, life attacks you or, you lose a loved one or, my mom today fell, next thing you know, we're at the hospital with her, she dislocated her hip and shit like that happens. But you've got to, I think you got to understand that's part of the program when stuff like that happens.
Hmm.
That's part of life and what's happening. And you got to look at that stuff as like, all right, that goes in the category of like shit that went wrong. It's like, okay, don't give up when that happens.
Uh,
We learn to shift gears or maybe take off a day or maybe go in and do something a little quicker because that's what allows you to feel better, right? Um, how do you handle stress? How do you handle when things go wrong? You to go hit a bottle and go eat fast food, right? If that's what makes you feel better, like okay, like don't do it too much. But for me, it's the other way around. Like I normally like to buckle down or hop on the stair climber when that happens, or go for a run, or you know, do some movement, allow my head to clear up. And I think when you start affiliating that with when things go wrong, that's when you take it up a notch even more. Suddenly you're not washing your hands like, oh no, I need this even more right now because this is part of my survival.
it's like what you were talking about, mindset changing and like breaking bad habits and stuff. And do you think this is where we're going wrong? Is like it's not a cheap meal; it's going out for a steak and chips, maybe on a Friday night with a friend who's coming to town. It's not cross training; it's going to paddleboarding with the kids at the weekend, or it's a lifestyle. It should be fun. It should be keeping you fit. I'm trying to remember who said it. It's like prepare today to do the things you love tomorrow. That
Yeah,
we just need to be fit for life. We just need to figure out a goal. Is that Are we just taking it too much into the data and into the breaking individual components rather than just life?
I think we're taking it too much into those areas if it's forcing us to be less successful.